How to buy NAVIX ecosystem token. So this token came under the symbol of NAVIX. Now, before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not a professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. Also, there is a referral code down in the description. You can get free money here works on crypto with the best referral codes. Simply use codes below, fund your account and enjoy the benefits. Check them out in the description. Now, as you can see, if you go and check this MEXC listing post, as you can see, so we are thrilled to announce that the NAVIX or NAVIX ecosystem Kickstarter has concluded and NAVIX token will be listed on MEXC. So as you can see, this is a new listing on MEXC. So if you don't have an account on MEXC, go down in the description. You will be able to find your referral link. Go and create an account on MEXC and fund it with some USDT. So after that, what you need to do, go and log into your MEXC account, go back to this page and just copy the token symbol. As you can see, now go on search, as you can see here, and now paste that token symbol. And after that, what you need to do, just click here on that pair. Now after that, what you need to do, you are now be able to buy this token. So click on buy here and select the limit here, type how much you want to buy of that token. So here you will be able to see how much you will be pay of that USDT on your account, and click on buy NAVIX. Now if you click on markets, you can drag it to set how much a percentage that you want to use of that USDT on your account to be able to use it to buy the token. After that, click on buy NAVIX. Now, so this is how to buy NAVIX token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.